Wild origin of bubble wrap. Seriously, this story is way more interesting than it has any right to be. Let's pop into it. Believe it or not, bubble wrap wasn't invented for packaging at all. Back in 1957, two engineers wanted to create textured plastic wallpaper. Yep, they thought people would want bubbly walls. Spoiler alert, nobody wanted their house to look like a giant sheet of packing material. So that idea totally flopped. But instead of giving up, they reimagined their invention. Shipping companies realized those little air pockets were perfect for protecting fragile stuff. And just like that, bubble wrap became the ultimate packaging hero and the world's most satisfying stress reliever. Next time you pop a bubble, remember, you're enjoying a failed wallpaper experiment. Wild, right?